Ken from A Couple Travelers. Quick video for you tonight. As I was sitting down to edit some photos from our trip, heard over at Epcot that the Imagineers and the team were starting to do some more fireworks testing for Harmonious, the new nighttime show coming to Epcot this year. So I grabbed the camera, ran over to International Gateway, and got some footage of the fireworks that we have for you here. And there's also going to be some footage from the balcony of our room here at the Beach Club. So enjoy. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed that sneak peek of some of the fireworks for the Harmonious show coming to Epcot this year. We're staying here for a few more nights this week, and if they have more testing, we'll be sure to get those videos up of that testing for you guys. But thank you for watching this quick video. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on social media at A Couple Travelers. And until next time, keep traveling.